Welcome to Yummy Food Cravings. Are you tired of trying different remedies for curing cough? This drink will work as a magic for all your cough problems. It is made with some very basic ingredients. You can easily make it and cure your cough. Take a glass of pineapple juice. Honey. A relief for your sour throat, add honey in the juice. Squeeze the lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, as it is natural antiseptic that helps fight infections. Cut the slices of ginger and add it in the juice as ginger boosts immune system. Mix well and it is ready. It is very good for your health and will heal your cough within 2 days.